discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Ford Mustang. This two-door, four-passenger coupe leads among competitors in its segment. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a standard transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Ford prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a trip computer, high-intensity discharge headlights, and one-touch window functionality. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.